morning. It's 5:54 a.m. It's pitch black out here, you guys, but I have to leave a little bit early because I have to go buy paper, some copy paper that I forgot that I needed. It's going to be a very long day today. We stay after for parent conferences today, but that's the time I'm out of the house. All right, bye, you guys.
Call me maybe. Hey guys. Singing a little Carly Rae Jepsen, but it's about 10:12 p.m. I'm very drowsy right now. You can see my dark circles. Can you move your eyebrows like one at a time? I cannot. It's like I don't have that muscle control. Pardonnez-moi. Pardonnez-moi. Yeah, and I can't move my ears. Can you move your ears? I'm totally just like moving my neck muscle. I can't do it. But, anywho, this is a quick update because I'm grading papiers. And, pardonnez ma chapeau. I really don't remember how to say hair in French. I'm sorry. But, I wore a scarf today, a head scarf, because I don't feel like, because I don't feel like doing my hair, like twisting it yet. Like really lazy and sleepy. So head scarf it is, baby. I'm like totally in the mood. Okay, because I'm sleepy. When I'm sleepy, I have two extremes. I'm either way hyper or I'm just mellow Joe. Tonight I'm not mellow Joe. I'm hyper Skyper. Alright, but seriously folks, I'm about to grade. I already said the time. Why do I even say the time in my video? So I had parent conferences tonight. Well, this afternoon from 3:45 to 6:30. That was crazy. Thankfully, my line wasn't long. I thought my line would be like super long. Okay, I got like a little pop-up thing. Those things freak me out. Like when like I get a message or something, and like this screen just pops up. I don't know why, but it like makes me like startles me so much. It just startles me. Totally goofy, guys. I'm sorry. I really apologize. I would like to apologize for my behavior tonight. Oh my god, that just reminded me. I'm supposed to be emailing back my friend who asked me for something. And I did not email her back yet. She kind of wants me to come do spoken word poetry for her 8th graders at her school. Because they're starting a poetry unit, and she wants me to come do some spoken word and stuff. And then to come in November to listen. I think she said the first week in November, but because if it's anywhere near Breaking Dawn 2, that whole week/weekend, I will be tied up. Because I have my tickets and I will be there at 10 p.m. Actually, way before because I'm sure there'll be a line. And I think it's just general seating. I mean, it is general seating, but they have like certain auditoriums. Oh my god, I can't believe this is the last movie. I'm gonna be so sad. But I'll probably see it I'm taking off that Friday after. So I'm going to see it Thursday night. Go home, go to bed. Friday morning, I'll go see it again. Maybe like the 9 o'clock show, 9:30 a.m. show. Yeah, because I'm crazy. Then again, that weekend, maybe Sunday morning. Because that next week is Thanksgiving week. So I'll have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday off. So I might go again Wednesday morning. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah. But alright, you guys. I totally just rambled for 4 minutes. And if you watch this, I love you. I love you. But yeah, I was up pretty early this morning, as you saw from my previous clip. And that was crazy. I had to run to the store to buy some copy paper and some lunch because I knew that something that could heat up because I knew that I would be at work late today. I'm yawning, but I have to finish grading. Okay. So I'll be back. Bye, you guys. Hope everyone had a wonderful Wednesday. And I'll be back tomorrow sometime. Look at all that junk. This is really embarrassing. That's my bag of medicine. My CVS bag of medicine. That blue thing is a basket that holds another pink basket right here with the little glare on it. So it's the blue basket holding a yellow basket, holding a pink basket. And inside the pink basket, see this little thing that's hanging out? That's my bag of Halls cough drops. Then I have my white sunglasses and my black sunglasses in there. Then you can't see it, but I have my box of Benadryl in there too. Yeah, my box of Benadryl because it's not right here. And my Vicks Vapor Rub. So that's my little medicine sunglass basket thing. I don't know what that's about. Then right here is my thing of markers and pens. On top of that, I have envelopes and something else. The little white paper sticking out, that's mail. I mean, not mail, but these are right here. That's all my important mail for my insurance companies that I have to keep. And I think that's it. Up there, my friend made that book for me with the flower. Oh, it was really sweet. Up there's Bob Marley. Here's my hair. There's the light switch. I'm playing. All right, bye, you guys.